it's starting out with NuWave Oven recipes, and today I'm going to be cooking up some frozen hot wings in the Phillips air fryer XXL, so we can see how this gets going with some frozen hot wings, and we're going to do that right now. Alright, so here we have some Foster Farms hot and spicy wings that we're going to be using for this cook, and nothing sponsored in this video, but I'm going to basically get this bag open, and then I'm going to see about how many I can fit into the basket there, and we'll just do a full load of wings in there. So I'm going to go ahead and get the bag open, and just pull on that seal there. Let's see how many wings can fit in the Phillips air fryer XXL. I'm not going to use the party tray or anything for this one. I'm just going to use the first layer and see how many we get. And I'll try and put them in with some respectable spacing. So it'll be how many we can get in with some decent spacing in there. But so far we have 5 in there. So 6. Maybe we can get 10, I don't know. 7. Oh, well, they're getting fried up, so we'll be alright. 8. 9. I'm going to try and squeeze in a number 10 so that we get an even 10. So one more, and that should be 10. So, yep. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's an even 10. Just going to try and get a little space between these. Alright, because we want to get a decent airflow. You know, I don't want to overload it and mess it up, you know, as far as our time here, because I want this to be something that anybody with, you know, pretty much any type of air fryer can reference. So we basically got a full load of wings in there. 10 wings fit comfortably. So I'm going to close it on up like that. Going to turn the Phillips air fryer XXL on. I'm going to go over into the preset, to the frozen preset. I'm going to up that temperature all the way up to the max of 400 degrees. I'm going to up the time. I'm going to try a 30-minute total cook. Basically, I'm going to cook them 15 on this side and then flip them. So I'll basically let them cook for 15 minutes on this side, and then I'll bring you back and we'll flip them. Alright, we're coming down to 15 minutes cooking time, just one more minute to go. I don't know if you can see up here the smoke that's starting to billow out a little bit, but there is some smoke action starting to go on. It's not a whole lot, but it is some. 15 minutes have passed. I'm going to pause, and I'm going to flip these wings over. Flip them. They're starting to look like they're getting good and partly done. So they're coming along. The way they're looking, I'll give them the final 15 minutes. I was thinking maybe I'd stop after 10 after flipping, but I'm going to give them the full 15 on the other side as well. Just based on the look, they can probably maintain another 15 minutes to get a nice crisp on them. So I'm going to close up, start it back up, and I'll bring you back in 15. Okay, although we've not reached the full last 15 minutes yet for a 30-minute total, I can't help but wonder, so I'm going to try and get in there when there's just 5 minutes left, so it'll have been 10 minutes on the opposite side, 25 minutes total when I check what the temperature is, because I want to just see if perhaps they're already well cooked and, you know, fully cooked and nice hot temperature. So we'll see what's happening in here in just a moment once it gets down to just 5 minutes left in a moment. And I do hope that these taste pretty good. Alright, 5 minutes. They look pretty good and done. We'll see what the temperature readout is for them. Look at that, 206, that's hot. 209, nice and hot. Going to a flat. This instant read thermometer is great. Everyone I'm checking, everyone I'm spot checking is nice and hot. So I believe that we're good and done here. I'll check one more. 218, yeah. 25 minutes total. 15 minutes on one side, flip, 10 minutes on the other. Nice, very hot wings. Alright, so I just gave these a moment to rest since they were so hot. Just going to turn the air fryer off now. And I'm going to grab this one here. I'll use him as my test subject for the taste test. Alright, here's our test hot wing. Let's do a taste. Okay, came out very hot, tasty, because they're very well cooked. So the Phillips air fryer XXL did a good job heating those up. You know, just 15 on one side, 10 on the other. Maybe could have gone a little less, but I like them to be really cooked well when they're coming from frozen like that. So good job by the Phillips air fryer on this cook. And basically you can get this, other heating instructions and recipes at superwaveovenrecipes.com. If you want to come direct to this YouTube channel anytime, just go to waveovenrecipes.com. Also, Twitter and Instagram, Wave Oven Recipes. And so leave your comments, tell me your thoughts. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Share the video with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and good eating.